With more than 1,30,000 cases, Pune has become the new corona hotbed for Maharashtra. Pune has even crossed other cities like Mumbai in the state, and which is why with more than 1,30,000 cases, Pune is growing to be a growing cause of concern for the authorities in the state. It also has the most number of active cases with more than 41,000 cases, which is the highest ever for any city in the country, and which is now why Mirror Now today brings to you a report, a ground report from one of the market areas in Pune to show you how vividly the social distancing norms are being flouted here. Remember, this city has seen a lockdown being implemented not once but twice in the entire district, where shops were asked to be closed and completely business activities were shut. But even then, people continue to throng in huge numbers in the market areas. As we take a walk today in Ravivar Pet, which is one of the popular areas in Pune, we show you how the usual traffic here continues. This is definitely before the Ganesh Chaturthi festival, a week ahead of the Ganesh Chaturthi festival, where people are expected to come in huge numbers to buy their daily requirements for the Ganesh Puja. Ganesh Chaturthi is a very popular festival in Pune, and which is why if you can see around, the kind of traffic that can be seen of people moving remains in good numbers. There is absolutely a very linear and less concept of social distancing norms that can be seen to be followed here. It's a typical market situation in Pune, and which is why we are getting you this ground report. Remember, the area that we are reporting from is also a popular area which is very close to Dabudushet Ganpati, other Ganpatis like Kasba Ganpati, and also a very popular market near Tulsi Bagh, and which is why the typical market discipline that should be seen, especially in the coronavirus pandemic, is completely absent. Here's another visual from another market area in this city of Pune, which now records the most cases as far as Maharashtra is concerned. Remember, Pune once had very low cases in the state, but now it has become a growing cause of concern for the entire state authorities, which is why definitely the planning and the required measurements to be able to bring down the cases is needed in the picture. One more important thing that we here want to tell you is that absolutely no implementation of any kind of measures, no police bandobast or no authority presence from the Pune Mahanagar Palika can be seen here, which has become another cause of concern in the market situation to control the population or the crowding that happens. The Zero survey also conducted showed that 51% of the total sample who were tested showed positive, and more cases prevalence were found in hutment areas, which was about 60%. So this typically means that the asymptomatic patients are also on the rise in Pune, and the kind of measures that should be taken to bring down the cases in Pune seems less. This is Neha Kulkarni for Mirror Now, reporting from Pune.